coming to celebrate. Our culture coming to celebrate. Wabudu coming to
I want to thank and greet the first executive officer of Alo subdivision, the brigade commander and all protocol respected. I want to thank their Royal Majesties, Chef Superior de Fungutungo Babumbo, and I'm not one combat. I'm a combat Gambago. Ofuji Abazambanga, the Ofuji Mo, and the Moon County, His Majesty, Ali Timonu, after going, if we now are Mitomo. And the Moon County not map for some little Yakitio, and as I look into my way to talk. I can do that, not one by only train. You can't do Mova yadisha mufache ibo za ikomba wo mo yi kisizo ka te suwa wo Atolola Kole Yaounde, the first National Forum of Traditional Rulers. But we won't come to you and then Tiza King track and don't want to fool. Aha. We have really Monang to ya. His Royal Majesty, the founder of Mago. My very good friend and then my son. His Royal Majesty, the son of Mwangong Yakumfa Ayaounde, especially Manifu, Uncle, and you don't know any other wafu, and you don't even want me to know go to Umo. I won't come to me for one, come to me for allo, and the lucky footage of the last and the most important content. I will move any mammy to more. And the most important executive. And okay, come on, it's all. Even give a king some national anthem and I like, and I'm a fool more. And I'm a book to move. If you can never king, jet, I can a national anthem, you mustn't come along to a national anthem. I'm not waiting on you about you, mamma, telling bottom flower, huh? And I think the aim could be what could move. Because you got 5.8 million. Minister say, one flower to one, huh? Akoko is a very well. I'm an intention. I found my thought more. I prefer that comes over baby more. Huh? I'm on last chance at the Mr. Chill and a blue. But we will cheer, but no, and I like, and then go, huh? I will wait for more. And that's so I don't press that case somewhere because I don't let it somewhere. We know. Everyone want to know. And His Royal Majesty the Father of Jupiter, huh? He is not the honorary, but the chairman of the Makudu, huh? Because Makudu exists because there is the fund. What's one more? And Akoko is a member of Makudu. The 14 usual and Bonka, and then they don't file approve. As soon as the President will go somewhere. Including what Abu Raim Adam Nume will about is in Sambo. Huh? And as from today, now he's executive and in future executive. Maybe born executive in any place, anti-Cameroon. Teva Yifu, Biyasimba, the chairman of that executive. Actually, huh? Make her everything. I will buy executive everything. Look at everything. I will even want my young. Look at the phone now some more. Huh? Because we are fighting the same war of development. So, we take to whom delegation ya kipi iya kiso la kipi tiba mwase fale mwase to onga gwa bunde tamungu lo fa gwa ha sanwa ansale la gwa la gwa ko bate me pite me arrangement awe wo to go ya de na mo but e gwa awu mbala ke mba ndega juta mo so mba on fa le son ba ju buken tum aju ma ke ji ma mi to mba mi ejum me ke ngi ji ngeju me ke ngi ji longju me to ka prayer wa asi tu ba ma asi kwebo me ke ji longju me te ke tum hein ne tu ma mo che ali ke le bo bu ba we e se sin sawa ba sa ele ba a me te mo we la and ba sa ali ke le wa ba fu te e ma ko mala e ma wo yi ba fu su ngwa ba wo yi ma su fu wa lo ngwe la awe mi le ku mo awe mi le ku wa lo ngwe la mo ha wo ya de mi le ku we ama tsema fu ama tsema kam ha so ma aga emphasis is something wa kudu enga bako ana yeba lele nwa minga du ku agriculture do agri development about the culture ba enga baba develop culture correct one baju membe me develop culture ezwe mbing ba e mo lung me le bu me lung ma me to me ga tse mbing ma bi ma le anjo ba bi fa ndo me ga to be bu me fa me ngu go TCRTV me tu ma wa a ebe ba se me nga ebe revalorize ebe booty and preserve a culture we mbo then and to tell him that we are solidly behind him for everything that he's doing, and that I'm begging him with his entourage to express our gratitude to the senior divisional officer of the BLM for his jest and gratitude and pity and selflessness to instruct via our able divisional officer that the road which was dug through Fundumita was not the old road dug by the Fundumita people in 1962. And we pray that before the rains, that road, something will pass on it, and then there will be a total change. Because as he said, this road was earmarked without the consultation of the local population and the administrative officers. So we pray that our able divisional officer will continue to help us, and we thank him for everything that he has done, because they will dig this other road, which it was thanks to his personal intervention, as he has been intervening into all the problems of the different fondoms of Alo. I want to say something on insecurity, and I may speak in the light dialect also, that we are very surprised that the peace-loving people of Mamito are trying to face one of the bad scourges in life, which we don't know. I was in Yaoundé, I heard that somebody shot somebody in the house, and there is no room for the fund of Fondumito to allow that they should keep a criminal in the house. I hear that man comes from Fongutuko. My good friend is there. He will help us and all of us to see that we catch the criminal, because he has killed somebody and he will kill others. And I want to talk that we should assist and help the administration here to live well. 2 years ago, they killed people in Jeddah and made a detailed report to the DO and the judiciary. And I'm sure they are following up the matter. And our DO was very pragmatic and informal. When I heard this thing from Yaoundé and reported to him, and he went to the spot with all his military legion to see about it. So I want to say that Chief Fosa, in whose quarter that thing occurred, and Folemo, Kamalimo, who is his assistant or his secretary, they should look and help the administration to discover the culprit. I don't want anyone to hide a killer in this funnel. I'm a long time ago. As a man, you went to me. I do a good I went to Mama. Oh, me don't know when I went to Benji. And I don't want me because you look at Tom or whatever. Tell me, I told you so. I remember tomorrow. Men the best I live here to you, huh? Well, friend, I won't come to tomorrow. And to walk with my mother to you, yeah. And the talk. This one, but won't keep it. But Saturday, nothing will fail. But in circle, it ain't gone. It ain't good. But I don't think so. And let someone something on the front car and so cool. No, ma. You couldn't, eh? Huh? Me talk me from my dog from Ango, Ogumfi, Utofe, me from Gumtong, Gumbo. And maybe we should have from what one. I mean, got 2 months out of 2 months, huh? Miss One, and then do me you it. Bob, my son. Bob, I'm ready. I forward. Mama will be got you, but I know, sir. They will leave town, they will leave. We have to show them out. Because, huh? Then, most important, I want to also inform you that His Excellency, our governor of the Southwest region, will be visiting the BLM, I think on the 19th or 20th of April. And he may be giving stopovers. And if he has to stop in Alo, I would prefer that all the living forces of this fondom should also help and show that we are a power, and show that our deal is not staying in the skeleton area. If he has to stop where, whether in Trikon and Modern, or in Chibamik, or anywhere, we should all go there. What's the job? Huh? But say, about Tota. Mugana Mola, Ngubi Molo, and Domo, huh? Nguamola, Mushi, Milonzo, Milomamito. Never got a deal. I got our window. And when I know, I'll think that. A massive thing like until we do make traditional council. I listen to ever to wake on Mugua, never to wake on Mugua. Huh? About you is working for me $5 million. Huh? And come to 2 months and I'm talking. You get 2 months. Ever to run and you want to alley in Java. Ever to you may respect tradition, but huh? Un gars, mais il respecte la tradition à moi. Moi, je vais faire me faire gang bang. Et bien, avec un cahier. Un banque cancer, mingun comme momo. Hein? Assemble programme yi. We were traditional cancer, mon makudu. We could plan. Travailler un cap, mon maman to of finger. Avec Daniela Yeklo, Tungu, for development of the fund. Eze, we will call you President Makudu, Mutum Eze, traditional cancer, a full avance. I'm not this country. Huh? It isn't come over, and a mama fool, everyone will send a finger. Mobbing things some water, so or a longer cup for John huh? Make the first one be, if I think, huh? We are first and then I'm so do everything, and the deal agree to work, and he was God respect traditional authority. So, my go contact me, no, swing to my fool. But come back in, don't about okay for about you, about travel was only means in try, executive, Makudu, Asia, because of my father, I'm in Sanjiro, ever usually in Tamil, you are as a people. You are as a people. Never won't contain, never my young one, but let me be alone. Everything gone, everyone gone, every war, every little, every far. And I may work it for free. I found ready to work for the more. I found ready to work for the more. And I should go.
And the founder of Sungelelem, who has just departed, but who remain with us. The president of Nwakudu and all the presidents of various branches, the population of Nwameto, dear invitees, ladies and gentlemen, somebody or the MC gave me the micro for a speech, but they corrected him that I have to make few statements. Now I am embarrassed. I don't know whether it is a statement or it is a speech. But take whatever you deem it necessary for you. But whatever the case, such an occasion could not go without the Chief Executive Officer of Alosop Division, who in his special capacity of great adaptation in his environment is also a son of Nwameto. Such an occasion could not end without him saying a word. So, from a speech to a statement, it is now a word. I believe that this is the third time I am given an opportunity to say something to the cross-sections of Nwameto living forces. All human beings are living forces. Internal elites, external elites. The population of Nwameto, as far as my knowledge can permit me to say, is the highest numerically for the whole Alosop division. I am confirming it officially here because people like the president of Nwakudo said it, the master planners of the night are trying to change figures in a manner to steal a show. they will ever see in the darkest night. And I believe that it is an opportunity for me to say one thing or the other to the population of Noameto, who has shown proof after my first and second encounter with them that my message didn't go through an empty vessel. I am happy that they decided to multiply what could so far be collected last year in 10 times. It is a proof that by next year, with the grace of God, to show the strength of the population, we can triple the amount of this year. And I would like to remind each and every son and daughter of Noameto that the water project should not be our only target. A normal human being should fix as a permanent objective something which should carry him to higher height. The water project might have pulled you out. The water project might have obliged you to put deep in your pocket, your hands. But I know you have more than what you contributed today. Maybe you wanted to test the DO and you thought that the DO might appreciate. I have appreciated, but do the more. Because I will not like the master planner of the night to say somewhere what is the advantage of the strength of the population. Hello? Of what advantage is the strength of the population? As we are trying to dismantle them, let them not confuse us. In a simple statement, what is then the advantage of the population? You say they have the highest population, but what is the advantage of the population? Let us show them beyond doubt that we might have not understood yesterday, but we have understand today and we will understand once and for all. Ladies and gentlemen, when the President General of Nwakudo was handing his speech to me, I commented and said, I wish he could be an administrator, and as an elder brother, he could have given me more strength. But whatever the case, things done by God's appointment are perfect. He came in at the time I came in. I am not saying that his predecessor was not of the value of his caliber. Maybe my absence could be also prejudicial to his predecessor. But one And I can remind you about what the chairman of Traditional Council of Nuameto said here during my contract tour, that Nuameto needed a doctor, and he has come. Let him tell us what we need to heal ourselves from our diseases. But I prefer to say that somebody who is sick can decide to commit suicide and prefer to die. When I was coming here, they told me, oh, that the land is like that. I said, no, I was coming from Bamenda. Bamenda is almost the same thing. But your friend who come from far north, either to visit you, let him be able, at least with a stick, to reach your compound. It is not a matter of abusing somebody. It is to bring awareness. We should be able to contribute to the development of our people from home, back home. If not, most of our cases are coming from the fact that we only appear during Christmas and we go back, we rejoice in town, and we are not getting promotion, and we are not doing better, because when our people see us, they only have bad minds about us. Ladies and gentlemen, from the strength of contribution back home, there is a clear indication that we are able to do beyond any expectation. If in 1 month, the population of Nuameto can contribute 600,000 francs CFA, even though all our seasons are not favorable, let us take out of the 12 months, 6 months. 600 times 6 months is 3,600,000. It can already complement the efforts you have put in together for your contribution for the water project. Isn't it true? Now, somebody like my friend Michael Formation, my elder brother, who happened to be the manager of my account. Now, Mr. Manager, it is time to show to your people that you are working in an area of finance. I start with those I know, so that let somebody not tell me you are telling me like that. How do you know me? But I know Mr. Formation Michael. And Mr. Formation Michael might know you. And he might transmit the same message from me to you, and a good friendship. I don't know you, but I know you at least as my Eli. I say those who might think that, how could I know their welfare, their well-being, financial well-being? No, I know. You know, the problem of a DO is that the DO is at the same time a gendarme, a policeman, and he can be researching about you without you knowing. So make sure that next time, Mr. President, you will give me the list of all Elis with their phone numbers, and I will know the amount each have contributed there. In private, I will get in touch with them and say, oh, many the bid, please. I will not start here and start calling your name, but I will call you privately and tell you, augment your amount, please. Eh? Ladies and gentlemen, you know, the only amount which was stated here as far as branches are concerned was an amount from Douala 1. And I don't know how Douala 2 and the rest have done.
It will be red, but it is a light comment that I want to make about it. The day before yesterday, the Douala football team of men wanted to show that they are coming from Douala. They can show you proof that they are men. I want you, I am not blaming anybody, but I want only to say Asia. Because that effort you have put on the field, you could transform it into financial values. And is it not true? When somebody wants to show power, you want to show power like now, you can say Douala 6 million. Because they know that around 80 to 85% of income in Cameroon is from Douala. Yes. So, and I know that everybody in Douala is a businessman, even administrators. That is why we who are here, don't be surprised that we live out of a good relationship with our population. Are you getting what I'm saying? We live out of a good relationship with our population. But in Douala, before you talk to a Dio, something should fall down. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am not focusing on Douala because they have much, but I am insisting that they should show proof that Douala is our economic reference town. So the 1 million by next year should be triple. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to be very thankful to His Royal Majesty the Fount of Nometo for the real understanding we have strengthened in the leadership of the population of Nometo in particular, and why not beyond. I know it is not easy for him. Even though they say in our belief here that a fund is never absent, but sometimes we who are in the administration and who knows only the administrative language will sometimes feel his absence. And in feeling his absence, we realize that we can work and make things to happen as if he is permanently present. And I can see changes coming up in his relationship with the elites as well as with the population in general. And I want to ask the elite, I want to repeat it. Last year I said it. When you are pointing finger at somebody, make sure that you are pointing the 5 fingers. If 3 are remaining out of pointing, make sure that they are not looking at you. Because in pointing fingers at you the way I am doing, you are showing to the person that, look, you tell God that, look, my bigger finger is telling God that I am pointing to my brother only 1 finger, while 3 are looking at me. Do your work, and you will be free to tell the other person to do his work. I want the elite to support the fund. I have not yet seen it. I gave you a challenge last year, and I am still to see it. If you will not do it, I will do it as somebody in transformation to become a Nometo so. Yes, if you cannot do it, I will do it on your behalf, and I will steal the show. I insist on it. His Royal Majesty, their blessings shall come from your welfare.
I am not saying that you should curse them, but pray so that they should change their attitude, so that they should bless you. And when you are blessed, your blessings will speak for them and they will be blessed. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a speech and it transit through a statement and a word has become a speech. Now let me come back to statement. The statements I want to make concerns few things the president and the president of Nakuru and the phone have addressed either to me or through me. Yeah, few credits are received with appreciation, but few after appreciation, and like Oliver Twist, they say they need more. And it can be understood. Because if you go back to the statistics of the previous years, we might believe that the request is very founded. As far as the surface area and the population dimension are concerned. So I have taken good note and I know how to write both in English and in French. And even if it is German, I will try. Now, the road from Menkia to Menji. I'm very happy that in the statement of the president of Nakuru, I heard something like a studies about to be completed. Mr. President, do send to me as soon as possible a copy of the feasibility studies for me to show you whether I am an unrealistic dreamer or I am a realistic dreamer. The building sheltering my office, sir, I am very grateful because as one of the DOs who was still to be sheltered by the building built by their community, I am so grateful. If not, I could found my tables under the eucalyptus somewhere. but let me say something. For those who have listened carefully to my statements everywhere I went, they can bear witness with me that somebody who say, I have come here not to know what I can take from you, but what I can add upon what my predecessors have done. Now, when coming, I didn't know the type of chairs I will sit on to study your problems. But at least, before coming, I brought along a credit which has served to acquire good equipment for me to sit comfortably and study all your problems before channeling it to the right quarters.
No, they will palace. You will take key for some store.
It is a proof
you will take key for some store
that the Dio of Allah is not sleeping in his office because you cannot be sleeping in such an... You are very right, Mr. President General. So I am not sleeping because I am very comfortably seated on a good chair, but rather the good chair is making me to reflect the best, to bring in the office. Ladies and gentlemen, road diverted, I thank God that I always have good and faithful witness like the phone who has borne me witness already, that I struggle to make sure that something has to be done as far as the road entering inside the Nuameto is concerned. I am very grateful His Royal Majesty, because some will ever know it in the background and they will never state it openly. But you can testify that I have been struggling to make sure that that road passes where it used to be. The General Nuameto issue. You know, it is always good to start with the lightest problems and end up with the most difficult one. Now, let me tell you something. You see, big problems need big people. And somebody commented yesterday after after the finals that, but when you look at this man, he is very slim, but things which are coming from out of him are very big. He doesn't know that I decided to grow beard inside. And I am big enough to give a final punch to the so-called General Nuameto issue. Look, His Royal Majesty, the Fon of Nwangong, sitting here, after his enthronement, was permanently given headache. And I don't know whether he had to fail even some of his courses because he was called back home because there was a certain uncle who was claiming a throne that he was forfeited from since 1979. Now, His Royal Majesty, let me know from you whether this problem has not rested once and for all.
Thank you very much, our able divisional officer. I'm very grateful today in the whole crowd here surrounded, and with no risk of confusion, I will testify to you that I was served by the divisional officer. Only God and none of us here can pay him for everything he is doing for all of us. I wish him the best, and I hope each and every one of us will give him the support, no matter what it be, for him to successfully pull us out from our evil deeds and put us into light. Thank you.
Thank you, His Royal Majesty. Now let us come back to the General Nuameto issue. All my predecessors paid a special visit to the General community in courts. Listen to me, because a wise man always talks with wisdom. I say all DOs of our subdivision paid special visit to the General community in courts. Don't misquote me. At a certain time, I made up my mind that why should I not do so like others? I responded, I am not like others. When I realized that most of our problems are created by us, the administrators, I prefer to point fingers at me rather than to allow somebody pointing finger at me. Because I can be career-minded, I can fear that if I do this, what will they say? You know, I went somewhere and read something that never fear to negotiate and never negotiate out of fear. Never fear to negotiate, but never negotiate out of fear. Ladies and gentlemen, the agenda whom Noameto issue will, during my tenure of office, rest at once and for all. Why? Because in the administrative manner to handle affairs, public affairs, you have two aspects: the legal aspects and the social aspect. If the two are not going together, you have to take a medium way to solve the matter, and you preserve the social and you preserve the legal. You remain legal once and for all. And if I have talked to those who have their ears to listen, it means what concretely? It means that if before I came in, it happened that through a simple letter from my minister, they declare Jenahum to be autonomous. I said, okay, it was a simple letter because it has no legal backing. But now that another letter has come to instruct my hierarchy that they should put an end to this matter, and hierarchy has taken a prefectural order. I am talking like a law-abiding citizen, but somebody who is also knowledgeable in public, private, common, international development law. My brother, all those who are lawyers here, it is difficult to try me with laws because I will tell you the consequence of taking such a position. I said it, and let me come back to it. The only way out for Jenahum to claim autonomy is to go back, and they should write a new decree modifying the decree, creating a subdivision and putting Jenahum as a 7th village. Because the prefectural order has a legal binding character. Not a letter that is being shown everywhere. Even those decision letters that were written in those days by DOs to show who are tax collectors. In 1979, the DO of Fontaine addressed a letter, and Jenahum was a 25th sub-chief of Noameto. So I believe that I want to speak openly. If they can go and put it to the presidency of the Republic, the day a decree modifying decree number 92/187 of 1st September 1992, if a decree modifying it will come out that day, I will organize the installation of the phone of Fuji Nahum. Thank you for your...
We are going to carry the canopies back to the owner. This month. Matron Engineer Peter. Barrister Engineer Peter. I can say, I can say, Mentosin, Madam Tat. I can say, Mentosin, Madam Tat. And then I told them to go. Better Barrister Engineer Peter. I got for 30,000. And back is I'm paying 40,000. And I'm branchy. You know, I'm going to 30,000 Madam Samia.